Good evening, guys. Thank you for coming to this presentation and honored to meet you here. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to say thank you for coming my presentation. Let me introduce myself. My name is Hasanatun. I'm come from the second class of senior high school in the boarding school of Nazhatul Tulab. Okay, in this opportunity, I would like to present about explanation text. Before starting to discuss the generic structure and characteristic of explanation text and explicit, I will first start with the definition of explanation text, English and Indonesian. Explanation is a text which tells process reasoning for forming of natural, social, scientific, and cultural phenomenon. Explanation is a text that contains process relates to natural, social, scientific, cultural, and other phenomena. The next, generic structure explanation text. Generic structure explanation text. 1. General statement. General statement about a general explanation of the phenomenon to be discussed. It can be an introduction. It can be an introduction to the phenomenon or an explanation. 2. Sequence of explanation contain an explanation of process why the phenomenon can occur or decrease. A sequence of explanation in the form of answer to be others why and who question when making an explanation text. In sequence of explanation, it can consist of more than one paragraph. 3. Closing. Actually, closing is not present in the generic structure of the explanation text, but most people think that the last paragraph on explanation text is closing, even though it's part of the sequence of explanation which contains the final step described in the sequence of the next agenda. The language feature of an explanation text, the use of technical terms such as evaporation, gradation, if writing about the water correctly, action, verbs, and present tense, such as runs, develops, and becomes, cause and average terms, such as because of, due to, therefore, and as a result. Okay, example text explanation of geyser. A geyser is the result of underground water under the combined condition of high temperature and increased pressure beneath the surface of the earth. Sun's temperature is approximately 1 feet for every 60 feet under the earth's surface, and pressure increase while drops the water that seep down in cracks and fissure until it reaches very hot rock in the air until it becomes thirst to temperature in excess of 2090 becomes of the geyser burst. The water source of the surface in the form persistent and hot water. The resource is a geyser in order to function, then a geyser must have a surface of heat surface where water can be stored eruption. Favorably conditions for geyser exists in some regions of the world, including New Brazilian, Incline, and the Yellowstone National Park area of the United States. The most famous geyser in the world is Old Field